How to attend class using cell phone, tablet, or iPad. Please follow these step-by-step instructions. Go to App Store for Apple users. If your device is Android, please open Play Store. These are applications marketplaces. We use them to download and install applications in our devices. For this tutorial, I have App Store. We search for Gmail. It's the one in the top right. Under Gmail email by Google, secure, fast, and organized email, click the button below it and wait for it to get installed. Now we go back once it's installed. We search Classroom. It's the one in the top right. As you can see, it says Google Classroom, instant, paperless, easy. Under that, click the blue button again. Once it's installed, you go back. Now we search Google Meet. Again, it's the one in the top right. Click the blue button again and wait for it to get downloaded. We now have all the necessary applications in attending the class. Next, we proceed to activating your Peak College Gmail. We sent your Peak College Gmail account to the personal email you provided upon registration. It could be your Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, or whatever personal email you gave us. You have to log in or activate that account. When you see Manage Accounts, just click Done and then Allow. This is just a sample Gmail. You should be looking at your personal Gmail or Yahoo, Hotmail, whatever you used in the registration. In the top right, you will see a circle button. When you click that, that's how you know which account is active. Make sure the one active is your personal Gmail so you can check the account information sent by the school. This is what you should be looking for. Welcome to Peak College account information. When you open that email, you will find there your college email and password. Take note of that because that's what you will be using to activate your class. For this sample, it's student@peakcollege.ca, and then the password. We go back, click the circle button in the top right corner, click Add Another Account, click Google, continue, and then type your Peak College Gmail. In this sample, it's student@peakcollege.ca. Yours will be your first name, your last name at peakcollege.ca. Always check your Peak College Gmail for announcements from the school and your teachers. Now, we can close Gmail and open Google Classroom. Click Get Started. Click your Peak College Gmail, which is student@peakcollege.ca as the sample, but yours would be your first name, your last name at peakcollege.ca. Just click Allow for notifications and then click Got It. Now, you will see your enrolled program and the Join button. If this is not showing, the only reason is you're using the wrong Gmail account. What you have to do is click the top right corner, the circle button. Make sure the one active written on top is your Peak College Gmail. Once you're done setting up, click Join. Now you're inside Classroom. We have 3 tabs, which is Stream, Classwork, and People. Under Stream tab, here you will find the video button in the top right corner. And then, welcome to Google Meet. Click the arrow button at the bottom. Activate the right Peak College account, which is student at peakcollege.ca for this example. And then click Continue as Student. You have to allow the camera and also the microphone. Now your camera is set up and also your mic. You can click the join button at the bottom right. Now you know how to attend your online class using mobile phone, tablet, or iPad. Thank you and have a great day.